Good morning children. How are you all? I think all are fine. Now in previous class you have learned how to write the rounding of number to the nearest tens and hundreds also. Okay, with some examples. Already you have done the homework for nearest tens also, rounding of numbers. Now in this class we are going to learn how to write the rounding of number to the nearest hundreds. So once again I will revise it how to write the rounding of number to the nearest hundreds. First, suppose if you take this example 1, first how to write this nearest hundreds number means you have to check the number in the tens place. Number in the tens place. What is the number in this tens place? 2 is there. How the 2 is? If number in the tens place, if it is less than 5, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5. So we have to follow this rule. What is the rule? You have to replace this ones place number by 0 and tens place also 0, and you have to write this hundreds number as it is. Okay, only we will replace ones and tens place by zeros if it is less than 5. Suppose this example 2, check it. Read this number 781. How is that number? What is the number in tens place? In tens place number 8 is there. How that 8 is? Is it less than 5 or more than 5? If it is more than 5 or equal to 5, we'll do what we'll do? We'll replace this ones place by 0 and tens place by 0, and we'll add one number to it. To hundreds place we'll add one number. It means 100. So 7 plus 1 how much? 8. 7 after one number is 8. So what is the nearest rounding of number to the 781? Nearest hundreds? 800. 800. Now we will do this exercise problems. That means already you have done, no, in that division time you have done nearest, you wrote rounding of number to the nearest tens. Now we are going to write this rounding of number to the nearest hundreds. Okay. 913 is nearly equal to, 913 is nearly equal to which number, which hundred? This first you have to check this tens digit. Tens digit, how? Tens place which number is there? 1 is there. 1 is less than 5, no? So we'll replace 3, ones place 3 by 0, tens place 0, and write 9 as it is. Understood? Now, second one. 8 is greater than 5. So we'll make this ones place 0, tens place 0, and we'll add one number to the hundreds place. What is the number in hundreds place? 2 is there. So for the 2 we'll add one number. 2 after one number? 2 plus 1? 3. Like that same. You have to observe this 3 in tens place. 3 is less than 5. So 1 will replace ones place 1 by 0, tens place by 0, and we will write 5 as it is. Now 769. 769 means 6 is greater than 5. So we will write 9, replace 9 with 0 and 6 with 0, and we will add one number to it. 7 plus 1? 8. 800. 122. 2 is there in tens place. What we will do? 2 is less than 5, no? So we will replace ones digit by 0, tens by 0, and we will write 1 as it is. Now 386. How this 386? 8 is greater than 5. So replace ones place by 0, tens place by 0, and we will add 1 to the hundreds place. 1 to the hundreds place. Now copy this from your text, in your textbook. Okay. Now children, this is in page number 32 in your textbook. Open your textbook and complete that what I wrote on the board just now. Okay, now here we have to do this exercise. What is this exercise? Here we have to write the complete and write the number names they gave for the numbers. They gave numbers and you had to write the number names for it, and they gave the number names. For that you had to write the numbers for it. Now, what is the first number? First, before writing any number name, you have to read that number. How to read? How you will spell that number? Like that only you have to write the spelling of it. Now, read this. A 649. First 649 means 649. Don't read 649. 649. Don't read like that. According to its place value, you write that number. Then only you can write easily. 6 ones, tens, hundred. No, 6 is in hundreds place. First you write 600. Hundreds place, no? 49. 40 spelling. So many children will write F-O-U-R. You should not write F-O-U-R. 40. You are not reading 40. 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 49. Like this. So first you have to read the number. Then you can write easily. You can write. Now read this number 753. 753. So first you write 7 spelling, 100 spelling, 50. 50 spelling also so many children will write. F-I-V-E they will write. You should not write F-I-V-E 5. But 50 means F-I-F we will read it as 50. F-I-F-T-Y 50. 3 spelling T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Like that only. Read this number name 703. 703. 925. 925. 900 means 9. 20. Tens plus 5. 413. 413 means first you have to write 400. 13 means 1313. Like this you copy and write in your textbook. Now coming to next one, we have to write. See, they gave you one number. We have to keep these numbers on this abacus. That means beads, and abacus beads will be there, no, like that. First you will take this hundreds. How many hundreds? 6. So 6 beads. 4, 5, 6. Tens plus O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds. 5 beads. Already you had done in your first standard. Okay. 1 means only 1 bead. Here 798. Hundreds plus 7 beads. 5, 6, 7. In tens place how many? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In ones place how many? 8. So 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that you complete this exercise. Okay children? Thank you.